Today I have as my guest a team from Bulange headed by Owekitibwa de Katikkiro. But the question remains, if only 5% of all disputes that are known, and this is with regard to disputes that are known, how about those that are not known? How about the 95%? How about the 90%? Why don't we have a situation where there is a dog-eat-dog situation in this country, where people cut themselves with machetes, pangas, and name it? Why there is war, where there's a breakdown of societal order? How come it is not so? Then when you study this, you find that informally, our people are applying a lot of informal justice mechanism in this country. And that's why we have not lost it. That's what holds our country together. What holds our people together is the informal justice processes. Negotiations, mediation, conciliation, arbitration. And these ones, it's amazing. Matters don't take years, even not months. A few weeks, occasionally a few months, the matter is resolved and people move on.
Justice is central to the development of any community. Where justice is dispensed quickly, or as lawyers say, expeditiously, quicker development is witnessed. We need systems in the country, like the Chief Justice has said, which make the citizens feel that justice has been dispensed with. We need systems which make the citizens feel that justice has been done. And I think the alternative justice systems that we think are informal because of what we adopted from out of the country or out of the continent, the alternative justice system will go a long way in ensuring that justice is seen and justice is done. I assure the Honorable the Chief Justice that the Kingdom is going to support the initiative. Kutuusa ku bantu obwenkanya, kubanga omulimu gwa kkooti kutaputa mateeka n'okulaba nti obwenkanya bubeerawo mu nsi. Naye beetaaga ebifo bye bakolera nga biraga obukulu bw'omulimu gw'ekitongole ekiramuzi mu kutabaganya abantu ababa basoowaganye nga tweyambisa enkola ezaffe eziri mu nnono n'obuwangwa bwaffe.